again with my Toyota Previa there. I finally got the Raptor muffler on. I'm doing another sound test with 0 to 100 if you're in Canada, and 0 to 60 if you're in the US. And just see how loud she gets now. She's not open pipe anymore, so it should have been quieted down quite a bit with this Turbo Raptor muffler. Sound coming from it, so I kind of like that sound. But yeah, it's quieted down, and I think this is the muffler that'll work now for the van. I'm hoping all I gotta do is get a little tailpipe on it, and then I'll be happy. Well, I hope I'll be happy.